welcome to 1NFP Fundraising Tutorials. Today's topic is creating donations. We're going to do this today from the Quick Create tool up in the command bar. Click that once, select the donation button, and it will drop down an abbreviated form of our donation record. It defaults to today's date, but know that you can change the date, backdate it if you need to. Constituent, I can use the lookup field, or I can just go ahead and type in some starting letters and it'll give me a list, and I can select from there. Brings in the constituent ID automatically. If you're a 1NFP Financials user, the company field might be used for multiple companies within your organization as to where this donation will be posted. It will default to the organizational default currency, which in this case is the US dollar. Category is a fixed option list. In this case it's money. We're going to do a standard donation, which is based off a user-defined list. So I'm going to select that from here. And then type, this is going to be a one-time donation based on $500, and it will be paid by check. And now if I wanted to type in some brief text for a description, I could do so as well. When I click save, this record will give me the option to open up the full record so we can see additional details. You'll see at the top the constituent's number, name and number. You'll see the ID, the date, everything that we already previously entered, everything down below here in the details. Now the one key ingredient we need to address here is the designation, and that is, where is this money going to be designated to in our operations? These are user-defined values that can reflect projects or funds or whatever it might be. In this case, this is just going to be our general fund that we have set up. I'm going to go and select $500. And I note that because this could actually be a split donation, to where $500 is split across multiple designations. If you wanted to do that, then you pick a designation and the amount, and you do the same until you've got this donation fully designated. You'll also notice over here under campaign and appeal that there is a default campaign value of our 2015 fundraising campaign. Now I could change that if I wanted to, it's just a default setting. And same thing with appeal. There is no default, but I can pick one on the fly as well. That way this donation gets applied to that campaign and or appeal as well. So now that this designation is ready, I'm going to go ahead and add it, and you'll see it populate down here on our designation splits table. And this just shows basically where this donation is being designated to. Now you can also set up tributes, which are honor memorials, and soft credits on the donation record, and we'll do that in another topic, but we will just focus on a standard donation today. Up here at the top you'll see the submit to post command. If you're a 1NFP Financials user, this will put your donation into queue to be posted into your general ledger and financials. If you're using fundraising as a standalone, this will mark this donation as processed and paid, and you are all done and ready to go. That's all we have today for creating donations in our tutorial.